I didn't choose to drill here. She didn't choose to drill here. We were told to drill here.
And if you find nothing of value?
Oh, we'll find something down there.
Is it methane?
No, it smells organic. Give it another go.
Hey, whoa, stop! Holy shit.
Looks like we hit the metal log.
Shall we grab some samples?
We just found this guy in a fucking ditch in the ground.
I saw something coming out from his nose.
It's organic. Living tissue.
Take it out of me!
Whatever was in him went into me.
I saw that. In a porno.
DNA-wise, they're cephalopods.
You're saying there's a giant clam under our feet.
Nature is always finding ways to renew itself. Don't you see? We are the monsters.